Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can see mutual friends on Snapchat. I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Before getting started, make sure that you've already updated your application to the latest version and also make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So in order to see mutual friend on Snapchat, what you need to do is, first of all, open up your Snapchat application, and once you're logged into your account, in the top left corner, click on your Bitmoji. After that, you'll be taken to your profile page. Now on this interface, you'll be able to see all of these information. Now slightly scroll down and head over to the section that is Friends. Now click on Add Friends. Once you click on Add Friends, on the other side, you'll be able to see Quick Added. Now these are all the list of contact, or these are all the people that is mutual on your Snapchat. So in this way you can see mutual friends on Snapchat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.